Space, the final frontier. Our solar system is an awe-inspiring place full of wonders. 8 planets, including our own Earth, orbit the Sun. Each planet has its own unique story to tell. Join me on a journey through our cosmic neighborhood as we uncover mind-blowing facts about these celestial objects. Prepare to be amazed by scorching temperatures, giant storms, and mysterious moons. We'll explore the vastness of space and the incredible phenomena that occur right in our cosmic backyard. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, and get ready for an adventure. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, we'll encounter wonders beyond imagination. So, let's embark on this cosmic journey and unravel the mysteries that lie hidden within our solar system. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Don't let its size fool you, this planet is a true speedster. Mercury zips around the Sun at a whopping 107,000 miles per hour. That's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles in less than 2 minutes. But there's more to Mercury than just its speed. This little planet has a surprising secret: ice. Yes, you read that right. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury has ice at its poles. How is this possible, you ask? Well, some of Mercury's craters are so deep that sunlight never reaches them. These permanently shadowed regions remain incredibly cold, allowing ice to exist. Speaking of craters, Mercury has plenty of them. Its surface is heavily cratered, much like our moon. This is because Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, which means that it has little protection from impacts by asteroids and comets. These impacts have left their mark on the planet, creating the craters we see today. Mercury may be small, but it's full of surprises. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder that exists even within our own solar system. Next, we journey to Venus, often called Earth's twin. At first glance, Venus and Earth do seem quite similar in size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a planet of extremes. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. We're talking surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Venus also rotates very slowly in the opposite direction to most planets. That means on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Talk about a different perspective. Venus's slow rotation and dense atmosphere contribute to its extreme heat. Imagine a planet where sulfuric acid rain falls from the sky. That's Venus. The planet's thick clouds are made up of sulfuric acid, creating a hostile and unforgiving environment. These clouds also reflect sunlight, giving Venus its high albedo, meaning it reflects most of the sunlight that hits it. Venus may be a scorching, toxic world, but it reminds us that appearances can be deceiving. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Ah, Earth, our home, our pale blue dot in the vast expanse of space. From space, Earth is a breathtaking sight, a swirling sphere of blue, green, and white. Liquid water, a life-sustaining element, covers most of Earth's surface. This precious resource, combined with our planet's perfect distance from the sun, creates the ideal conditions for life to thrive. Earth's atmosphere plays a vital role in protecting and sustaining life. It shields us from harmful radiation from the sun and regulates our planet's temperature. The delicate balance of gases in our atmosphere is crucial for maintaining a habitable environment. We often take our planet for granted, but Earth is truly a remarkable place. It's the only known planet in our solar system to harbor life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales, Earth teems with a staggering diversity of life forms. Let's cherish and protect our pale blue dot, for it's the only home we know. As we explore the cosmos, let Earth serve as a reminder of the preciousness of life and the importance of preserving our own planet. Section 5, Mars, the Red Planet beckons. Next stop, Mars. The red planet has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Its rusty red hue, visible even from Earth, hints at a planet rich in iron oxide, rust, in simpler terms. Mars is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons, a towering giant 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars also boasts the largest canyon system, Valles Marineris. This massive chasm stretches across the Martian surface for thousands of miles, dwarfing the Grand Canyon here on Earth. Talk about a sight to behold. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter planet, possibly even harboring life. Today we send rovers to Mars to search for signs of ancient life and to explore the possibility of future human missions to the red planet. The dream of setting foot on Mars may soon become a reality. As we continue to explore this enigmatic planet, we unravel the mysteries of its past and uncover the potential it holds for the future of humanity. Section 6: Jupiter, the Planetary King. Prepare to be awed by Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This gas giant is so massive that it could fit all the other planets inside it with room to spare. Jupiter is a swirling world of colorful clouds and powerful storms. Its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, is a gigantic storm that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter's immense gravity affects the entire solar system. It acts like a giant vacuum cleaner, deflecting or capturing comets and asteroids that might otherwise pose a threat to Earth. Consider it our cosmic protector. Did you know that Jupiter has its own mini-solar system? With 79 known moons, Jupiter is like a miniature solar system of its own. One of its most intriguing moons, Europa, is covered in ice and is thought to have a vast ocean of liquid water beneath its surface. Scientists believe that Europa's subsurface ocean could potentially harbor life. Jupiter is a testament to the sheer scale and grandeur of our solar system. Its swirling storms, numerous moons, and powerful presence make it a truly awe-inspiring planet. Section 7: Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Next, we encounter Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. Saturn's iconic rings, made up of countless particles of ice and rock, are a sight to behold. These rings stretch thousands of miles wide but are remarkably thin, only a few meters thick in some places. Imagine a sheet of paper as wide as a city. That's how thin Saturn's rings are. Saturn is not the only planet with rings, but its rings are the most extensive and spectacular. These rings are thought to be the remnants of a shattered moon or comet that got too close to Saturn and was ripped apart by its gravity. Saturn is also a gas giant like Jupiter, but it is much less dense. It's often said that Saturn is so light that it could float in water if you could find a bathtub big enough. Of course, that's just a fun fact, but it highlights the planet's incredibly low density. Saturn's rings and its numerous moons make it one of the most beautiful and captivating objects in our night sky. It's a celestial masterpiece that never fails to inspire awe and wonder. Section 8: Uranus, the Sideways World. Get ready for a unique perspective as we visit Uranus, the sideways planet. Unlike other planets in our solar system, Uranus rotates on its side. This unusual tilt means that Uranus has extreme seasons, with each pole experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is an ice giant composed primarily of water, methane, and ammonia ices. Methane in its atmosphere gives Uranus its pale blue-green color. While not as large as Jupiter or Saturn, Uranus is still a massive planet, about 4 times the diameter of Earth. Uranus also has faint rings, although they are not as prominent as Saturn's. These rings are made up of dark, icy particles, making them difficult to see. Uranus's unusual tilt affects its rings, causing them to appear as if they are orbiting the planet vertically from our perspective. Uranus may be an icy and tilted world, but it's another fascinating member of our solar system. Its unique characteristics and distant location make it a prime target for future exploration. Section 9: Neptune, the windy giant. Our final stop takes us to Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a dark, cold, and incredibly windy world. Its blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, similar to Uranus. However, Neptune is a much deeper blue, suggesting the presence of other unknown components in its atmosphere. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in our solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. These powerful winds whip around the planet, creating massive storms. One such storm, the Great Dark Spot, was once as large as Earth itself. Like other gas giants, Neptune has a system of rings, although they are very faint and difficult to observe from Earth. These rings are thought to be relatively young and are constantly being replenished by material from Neptune's moons. Neptune may be the farthest planet from the Sun, but it's far from boring. Its intense winds, dark storms, and faint rings make it a mysterious and captivating world worthy of further exploration. Section 10: Moons, Asteroids, and Comets, the supporting cast. Our solar system is not just about planets, it's also teeming with fascinating objects like moons, asteroids, and comets. These smaller celestial bodies are no less intriguing. Moons come in all shapes and sizes. Some, like Europa and Enceladus, may harbor oceans beneath their icy surfaces. Others, like our moon, are rocky and barren. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system. Comets, composed of ice, dust, and rock, create glowing tails when near the sun. These objects add to the richness of our solar system. Section 11. Endless wonders to explore. As we conclude our journey through our solar system, we've only scratched the surface of its wonders. From the scorching heat of Venus to the icy plains of Neptune, our cosmic neighborhood is full of surprises. We've encountered giant storms, towering volcanoes, and mysterious moons that might even harbor life. The exploration of our solar system is a journey without end. With each new discovery, our understanding of the cosmos expands and our sense of wonder deepens. As we continue to explore, we are reminded of the vastness of space and the incredible diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. So, keep looking up at the stars and never stop questioning, exploring, and imagining the endless possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of our solar system and beyond. The universe is ours to discover.